So this is a how-to video on how to use the website Gooru. This is also available on the iPad, but there's many ways that you can go about using Gooru to benefit both your classroom and your lessons to engage your students in both in technology and reading and just being able to bring all types of learning into one central place. So as we can see, I have my classes, my collections, libraries, and then we have Find, Remix, Share, and Monitor. We'll start with my classes. So you have the chance to either add a class or you can put a code in to join a class. This is also good for students and teachers. So if you're a teacher, you give a code to your students. If you're a student, you are given a code and you can access the class. There's collections. These collections can gauge from science on the hypothesis of one or another, something scientific. I am not a science person, so I don't know. But we have the medieval Europe and religion and society. There's so many other things to choose from. That's when libraries come in. So you can go into the library and you can look at civics, economics, history, social science. But that's just the beginning. And these are all from teachers. So you can take lessons from other teachers and remix them to make them to be your own. So with standards, we have language arts, the different courses. We have social science, math, and science. Let's go back to the home page. Either to find something, let's say we want to look into the Roaring 20s. It's searching, it's looking at resources, or we can look at collections. So we have the Roaring 20s. And as we look in here, and there's 12 resources and 10 questions. We have the choice if we want to study it. So let's study it. So we have the Roaring 20s, and you can look at the video.
It was a time of...
And you can look at the other videos related to it. And you can continue on after you've watched the video. And this is a guiding question. Were the 1920s a time for progress for women and minorities? And then the student would give their answer. And then there's just different resources that students could look at. While watching this video, notice how women's social roles are changing. Did the student got it? So Granny, what did you do when you were a girl? So just giving kids a well-rounded understanding of what the 20s are. And then here's a cool thing about this website/app. Question, how did women in the 1920s express their independence? Kids can type in their answer and it's submitted directly to the teacher. And there's just more things that they can read and look through, and when you want to exit out, you can go right here. And then, let's see. Here's the remix. You can choose one of those collections and change it, add things, and make it your own. You can share your collections from your classes. And then it gives you the ability to monitor your student engagement. So you can see if Bethany has an A or a D or something is false. Or if the student here got a B and how many seconds it took them to answer. And got letter A in 58 seconds and true in 53 seconds. And just seeing how the students are progressing without taking a lot of time to actually get that report. Of course, that was just a sample. And there's a whole community of teachers that are willing to contribute to lessons and help you construct the perfect lesson for your classroom. So I appreciate you listening and watching, and I hope you will use Gooru.